Hey guys, AB with you here, and today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I lost 80 pounds in 6 months, how I kept it off for 7 years, and then my new weight loss journey to get rid of my dad bod. So let's get started. So you're probably wondering how I lost 80 pounds in 6 months. Well, I was always the fat kid and the slow kid. Growing up I was bullied for being overweight, and by the time I finished high school, I ended up becoming a chef, and living the chef lifestyle wasn't very good for my body. I was eating horribly, and I ended up maxing out at 105 kilos, which is 230 pounds. In December of 2010, I made a decision that would change my life. I told myself that I would lose all the weight, and I wanted to get down to 70 kilos, which is almost 150 pounds. I set that goal knowing that I had 6 months to my 21st birthday in the May of 2011, and my goal was to wake up on my birthday and be less than 70 pounds. Now, I know you're thinking there's no way I could drop that much weight that fast. Yep, I did it. Here's a picture of me before, here's a picture of me after. And I did all of it without exercising. What? But there's no way you're going to keep that 80 pounds off for the rest of your life. That's right, if you watch The Biggest Loser, a lot of them people lose hundreds of pounds, but they gain it all back within the next year because they don't set up their guidelines properly and they don't have a consistent way to continually maintain their weight. Or you have some trainer that's giving you some crash diet and let's eat 1,200 calories, you'll be fine. Just drink coffee and starve yourself, but you'll be fine. Anyone can lose weight loss fast with a crash diet, but it's maintaining your diet for a long period of time which is the trick. A lot of people can't maintain their weight more than for a few months after their initial cut, and that's because of one thing: they're guessing. When you guess how much food you have to eat, you are setting yourself up for trouble. It's basically a toss of the coin whether you're gonna maintain weight, lose weight, or gain weight. You really have no idea. The only way to guarantee if you're gonna either maintain weight, lose weight, or gain weight is to calculate exactly how much is coming into your body so that you can determine if you're gonna go up or if you're gonna go down. So Adam, you're telling me I need to track everything that I'm eating in order to lose weight? 100%. You don't need a diet program, you don't need a crazy diet, you don't need to change anything. All you need to do is understand what's going in and what's going out. It's basic maths. If you have this many calories your body burns in a day and you eat this many calories in a day, you're gonna gain weight. If your body burns this many calories in a day and you eat this many calories in a day, you're gonna stay the same weight. If you eat this many calories in a day and you eat this many calories, you're gonna lose weight. It's very simple. As you guys know, we put macros in all of our videos. And I've been tracking my macros ever since I lost my weight. Because once I lost my weight, I needed to figure out how to maintain it. The only way I can maintain it is by figuring out how many calories I burnt and then how many calories I needed to eat to make sure I stayed on weight. So I was able to maintain 155 pounds for 2 years before deciding that I was too weak and I wanted to get stronger. So I ended up going to the gym, lifting heavy amounts of weight and bulking up and gaining 20 pounds, which has been a really good weight for me and something that I've been able to maintain for a long time. Now when it comes to macros, this task can be very boring and very monotonous unless you like math and drawing it out on paper and calculating your height and your weight and how old you are and how many calories you burn and TDEEs and everything like that. And for the longest time, I did it all by manual calculation. And I even made a video on how to count your macros, or I gave you guys a spreadsheet so you guys could track your own macros. And that was with my own calculation. It was very time consuming and you guys had to cross compare your height and your weight to get a recommended macro goal. But now I'm really happy to announce I have an exciting new way for you guys to track your macros, track your calories, stay on track for your fitness goal, and it's through LifeSum. LifeSum is a calorie tracking app similar to MyFitnessPal, but in my opinion is much better. I used to get a lot of anxiety using MyFitnessPal. It's very boring and very meticulous and very business, all business, no play. But with the LifeSum app, it's very fun to use, it's very friendly, it's easy for you to track everything. It push notifies you and reminds you to make sure you're drinking water and that you should input your lunch and input your stuff and keep everything on track. I'm gonna be using LifeSum for the next 12 weeks. I'm gonna be putting their app to the test. I'm gonna see if they can help me lose body fat as I get shredded, losing my dad bod, getting ready for the bub that's on the way. I'm gonna be documenting all my journey. I'm gonna have my weigh-in today, and then each week I'm gonna be meal prepping, putting those meals into the app, and at the end of 12 weeks, I'm gonna have a big reveal to see all of my results. Now the app is super easy to use. All you're gonna do is set a goal. So I'm gonna set my goal to lose weight, get leaner, and increase your stamina. I'm then gonna put in my current weight, my goal weight, and then set myself a goal. So my goal is gonna be 12 weeks, steady recommended weight, which would be about 1 pound lost per week. And the app is gonna do all the work for me in calculating how many calories I'm gonna need on a daily basis to achieve that goal. And each day I'm gonna update my weight, I'm gonna add my breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, any exercise that I do, and how much water that I drink. And the app, it's gonna calculate that as I go throughout my day. It's gonna keep updating me on how much food that I've eaten and how many calories I still need to consume to hit my goal. And now the big reveal. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I've got under the hood, taking my shirt off and exposing my body. Oh, here we go. Boom. The bod. This bod, 176 pounds. That's the bod. Get the flex on. Oh, yeah, the flex. Oh, protein. Oh. It's my fully natty body bra. Something that you might not see is that from all my weight gain, I have a lot of scarring. All through here, that's probably better. You can see all through here, I have my weight gain scars. That's a nice deep one right there. And I have scars on my hip as well. I have all this scarring through here. This is all my weight, this is from my weight gain. This is from being 230 pounds, from being 105 kilos. So for those of you that are overweight or have been big, I know what it's like to be big. I literally wear the scars every day from being big. And I'm totally proud of the weight that I am now and being able to maintain it. I don't technically need to lose weight. I'm happy being in this body, but this is a huge experiment. This is a challenge for me. When it comes to looking better doesn't really have anything to do with the scale. It had all to do with body fat. So now we're gonna go jump on the scales, check out my weight, check out my body fat, take all my measurements, and we'll be able to see in 12 weeks how much body fat I can lose. So here we are in the bathroom where a lot of fun's gonna be happening over the next 12 weeks. Every day I'm gonna have to be getting up in the morning, checking my weight, putting it into the app. So let's start with my first weigh-in. I'm gonna set the scale. This is a body fat scale. I'm gonna set it to my height, which is 5'8". I'm gonna set it to my male, 5'8". My birthday, I'm 28 years old. And now I'm gonna jump on. £176. Let's calculate my body fat. Body fat at 20.8% and water weight of 58.4. So now I'm gonna update all of that into the app. I'm gonna check my body measurements and I'm gonna input all the data from that just now. So my current weight, 176 pounds. My body fat is 20.8. So take my measurements, I'm gonna do my chest, waist, arms, and I'll do quads as well. It's gonna go out to 38. So I'll take the measurement from the widest point between the belly button and my hip bone, which is gonna be 38 inches. Chest measurement will be, across the nipples, 38 inches. Biceps, 14 inches. Should be the same on both sides. Yep. Got pretty jack quads. I'm gonna go to 24 inches. So there you go guys, from this point on, every week here on the channel, I'm gonna be giving you an update video, tracking my progress. I'm gonna be showing you what I eat in a day, so everything that's gonna be going into my calories that I'm consuming, and we're gonna track it every week until that 12-week reveal where I show you how much body fat I use. I wanna give a big thank you to LifeSum for partnering with me on this video and supporting me on my journey so I can help you guys attain your fitness goals. If you guys want to go on this journey with me, make sure to check the link in the description and download the LifeSum app and so you guys can do it along with me. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, any topics you want me to cover on the next 12 weeks, make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss all the update videos and you can watch me get shredded here right on the channel. Till next time guys, namaste.